Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true. But the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too. I'ma put a ride on ya.
Good afternoon, traders. Ba-na-da-na-da-na. All right, and I'm back, guys. I'm back. I'm looking at UXIN there, guys. Maybe gonna get in here right here. Let's do a little starter right here. Sticking here in the 38s there. Saw big shorts jump in there. 640, 640. We extended here. Got this stock to jump out through there. Could hold off this 624. How we doing, Cools? How we doing? Alright, guys, watching this UXIN there. Thinking about taking a starter here, but would want it to just kind of fake out to the 650. Keeps coming down there though. Could just flush down here. All right, Crone, that's what I like to hear. KG calling out Crone. Oh, you guys see the level 2 wash there, guys. All right there. Also on CGC bouncing. Wanted to get into CGC a little bit earlier, guys, but wasn't able to get in there. Crone there, Crone, back up that VWAP there, guys. Definitely one to watch. Alright, let's see how it holds here in a little bit, and then we'll look for the rejection on Crone. I want to see if it can reject 26. Watching UXIN here, UXIN. What's up, traders? How we doing today? Green day, red day, what we looking at? What we like in the afternoon? Go ahead and put it in the chat. We'll go ahead and figure out our plan for today. For this afternoon time. I'm liking this up here. Keeps rejecting down here. Crone looking good too. Look at CGC, guys. Definitely missed this one, guys, there. I wanted it up here at 38.80s, so I could have got this move. I said that you could have shorted here in 70s. You could have got this right here. Then it consolidates here, and this 38.60s was looking at it. Could have nailed that down here to the 38.40s. Then looked for the next support touch. Definitely a great trade, just didn't get onto it. Crone looking good there too, guys. Crone is looking good there. UXIN. All right. Trying to start a little starter here on UXIN here. Didn't get filled there, so I'm looking to see if I can get filled up here in this area. I don't want to get filled up in this area because I'm looking for it to completely just come down to 24. It's a quick trade. Crone, I'm looking for one more bounce to the VWAP. About 18, 19. See Chrome bounce here a little bit. Up there to the 15s. Let's see if we can get up there to the VWAP. There's UXIN there, guys. Above 40s, guys. This could break out long, so I'm just going to wait here and see if it breaks down through there. Yeah, Chrome, guys. You guys called it out well. I just didn't get a chance to get in there in the 820s. Looking for a bounce back up there to 818, 819 there. What's going on, NYC? NYC in the house. Let me pop out this chat so I can keep up with you guys. Some big sizing going through there on UXIN there. CWBR. A little bit slower. Not as much volume as I like to see. See Chrome back down there to 810s there, 811s. I'm trying to let it bounce back to the VWAP there, guys. Bounce to the VWAP, and I'll go ahead and I'll camera down on it. I'm trying, NYC. I'm gonna definitely try, guys. I mean, what's the worst thing that can happen, guys? You know, I'm definitely giving it a whirl. That's why I'm on here now, just trying to take some risk. Don't need too much here, guys. Don't need too much to make this account here. It's really easy. It's honestly not too hard. It's just about taking some risk with a well-executed strategy. All right. Let's see if Chrome can bounce up there so I can get in it. Might never give me a chance, Chrome. Yeah, it's breaking down there, guys. A little bit late to the move, man. It's a little annoying. There you go, getting heavy there in the 8s. Looking for a bounce on Crone. CWBR breaking out there. There's Chrome breaking down there, guys. Never giving me a chance there to get in there. That one's a little bit of annoying, man. Don't want to chase it here, guys. I know it can probably break through that 8 and just keep coming down there. Look at it slamming through the 8s there. Gone. Yeah, man. That's what I was looking for, guys. I need to bounce to 810 so I could risk off of 815 or 820. There you go. There you go. Outcrone 801. You did good, KG. Good call out, man. I definitely would have taken that trade with you. In the 820s, that looked beautiful to take there. Risking off of 826. Looked beautiful there. Look at the 8s getting hammered there. Alright, getting short here on UXIN. Looking for this move back down to the 34s and then to the 30s. Risking off of right here on the 48s. Low share size here. 500 shares. Not as much as I can size into this position. Alright, let's see if we can get a crackdown here on UXIN. Also watching Chrome for 810s up there in that area. Alright, so my entry on UXIN is coming because I saw shorters get short here in the 640s. 640s, and then it rejected 650s here, guys. See, maybe a 623s here. It could just hit 634s though. Could bounce here off the 634s, but I'm looking for the 23s over here in this next support area. There's Crone getting up there to the A10s, guys. See if we can get a little bit more bounce on that one, and I'll hammer on it. This one could bounce off a 36 and keep it bullish, so I'm kind of worried more about this stock than the other one. Crone looks more bearish. Oh, got to risk off this 48, 47 area. Really don't want it back up here. Would like it to just fail down and get below here. Seeing the share size coming in there, 46, 48 fours, then 38s, 38, 33s. In my sense, that's someone getting short here, trying to break it down here. Alright, little bounce here. Gotta be worried here. Don't want it to be closing above there, above that 640s. There's Crone jumping up again, guys. Let's see if it can get up there. Alright, gotta be careful here, guys. Crone does look good in those 810s, but I gotta pay attention to this stock, so I'm gonna stay in this stock here. That looks like some confirmation to me. I can go ahead and look for maybe an add here. 37 or 38s. No ad going through there for me. Somebody cancel down. Might look to take some profit here. There you go, 26s. Putting out the order to cover there at 26. Gonna take 29s. Take that $40, guys. Add it to the streak. Add it to the streak, guys. Let's keep it going, guys. Working here, guys. 262 now. 262, guys. Good trade there, guys. Good trade there, guys. Getting in there. Maybe should have got a little bit more. Put the order out there at 26. Remember, I wanted that 26 there, guys. Maybe you could look for an add here on the bounce here, guys. But I'm looking to probably nail another stock. Keep trading. Let's keep going. Let me know if you guys see anything out there you guys like. Yeah, you guys see those 26s come through there? This is when I should be getting out. I think I rushed that exit there a little bit there, guys. Cut myself short about 4 cents. About $20 to cut myself short there. The key is that we could get a real crackdown there, guys. But I'm going to go ahead. I'll take that profit. I'll be happy with that, guys. Let's start focusing. Let's try to keep going up there, guys. We're at 156 for the day. We need to get up there. We need to get this unused up there to the 500s there, guys. Let's get this up there. There's Crone rejecting into 810s there, guys. Alright, gonna watch Crone here, guys. Alright, guys, how we doing out there, guys? Got 10 people here. Alright, guys, what you guys think about that trade? You guys see anything else out there? Givo up, man. Givo's up for the day, guys. Starting to look real interesting for Crone here. Little bounce here. Some ads going through there at 810 there, guys. Let's see if it rejects those 811s there. Some 811s going through there, guys. Rejection of 811s. There you go, NYC. Good trading, man. There you go, Corey. Welcome, brother. Welcome, man. I can't do it every day, but I'm looking forward to doing it when I can, you know. I got another job I got to do. Got my steady and then I got my risky going. On the gainers, weird gap up on Axon. Weird gap up on Axon, guys. Alright, guys, this is breaking out of that trend right there, down there on Crone. Up there now with the 813s. I'm not really seeing sales go through there at 813, but it did bounce up there. So I'm looking for maybe another touch to VWAP there. But if it just keeps rejecting there, it could just come right back down to these 8s. Alright, would have to risk off of 815 if I went in there. So let's see how these 813s hold up there. They're running through there, guys. Running through there. This is what I mean by if they show up there. They're actually running through there. Alright, let's see if we get a bounce up here. Rolling through there, guys. Rolling through there, guys. Up there to the 815s now. Don't want to chase it here, guys. Just want to wait for a little while. Also watching Givo, guys. Made a surprise run. Up there at 393s. Rejected 4s once. Rejected 4s twice. Let's see if it comes up there to 395s or something like that and rejects again. Through 390s can come back down all the way to 376, 370s. Probably 15-cent gain, 20-cent gain for 5 to 7 cent risk. There it goes, a crack down there. Let's see if it bounces off that 90, tries to make an attempt towards that 96 again, and then fails. UXIN not being able to get above those 640s there, guys. I'm going to let this next 5-minute candle come in. And if it opens up above here or above this 35, I won't get in it. But it could open up down here at the 630, crash down to the 6. The stock has gotten the volume to shrink. And the only volume that's coming in has been coming in on the downside. Alright, watching Crone also there, guys. It rejected up there at the 815 area, back down to 811s there. Let's see if it rejects these 40s again for UXIN. Closed above there, guys. It could make a run long, guys, so just watch this. Axon broke down there too, guys. It made a weird gap at 11 something. I think it opened up. Alright guys, that's my dog over here. Gotta go calm him down. I'll be right back, guys. Right back. Alright guys, and I'm back guys. Sorry about that. My dog not letting me trade here guys. Just being a savage. Yeah, barking at everybody. Alright, looking at Crone. UXIN is looking more like it's gonna go long here guys. I'm gonna just wait for that one. I'm gonna watch Crone here. Trying to find the pattern on Crone. That's what I'm having problem with. I'm not really seeing just a clean cut pattern. It says strictly off of price action. Maybe right there is the move. You could risk off of that 16, 15. Looking for this 8 push and beyond, but I'm still waiting guys. I'm not really seeing a clear-cut entry there. Alright, we see that UXIN is up there at 644 and holding. Watching that stock. Also watching Crone here. See it's bouncing there one more time there. Alright, I'm trying to get short here now. Gotten that. Still haven't really gotten the breakdown, guys. I'm going to wait. Because if this stock breaks down and gets through the 8, its next stop is going to be down here to 78, 80. That still leaves me enough room there, guys. And then it could come down all the way to 760s there, guys. So I'm waiting for the actual breakdown. I'm not going to go ahead and just jump in there right now. I'm going to wait. I'm seeing UXIN, though, do a nice breakout there. We saw it hold, like I told you. It went back above those 40s. When it held there, it could break out and get to the 650s, now 660s. 47 off of 40 would be your risk for a move to 60 on the long side. Also watching Givo there. There goes the breakdown for Crone there, guys. Went to the 805s there, guys. There's some shares going through there. 5,000, 2,000 at 806. Chrome bouncing one more time. Trying to decide which way it wants to go. Watching also Givo, guys. Thinking about shorting in the 390. Wanted to reject this move towards 395. Givo up, closing some shares up there in the 94s. Crone just not wanting to break down there, guys. I'm kind of glad I'm not in that one. I'd just be stuck just waiting for that break. Alright guys, well I also said that I'd open this up to questions. Anybody got any questions? Look at Givo rip through that 4, guys. Looks like Givo wants to go on a ride, guys. Watching Crone closely here, guys. It could flip down to 10s and then just completely tank there. I think this is the last attempt to fake it out there. Yeah, I'm going short here. Alright guys, started my short position there on Crone there, guys, at 810 there. Looking to maybe add up here in this area. All the way up to there. I'm trying to risk off of here. Looking for the crackdown right now. Saw it reject those 14s and 13s pretty well there. After it was holding and threatening it. It came back up here and then started coming back down there. See if it can hold to those 815s there. Alright, just want to see 815s reject there. It's really the key there. Rejection and a slam down. I want to see these 810s crack here, guys. Let's see this crack down here, guys. Get to the 8s. There you go, guys. Down to 808 there, guys. Let's see if it can crack down through that. Some ads right now in 810s. Been looking for this to crack down, guys. There you go, guys. Looks like we got that rejection right there at 810s. There you go, guys. That's the confirmation that I'm looking for now. Now I'm willing to add here in the 9 or 10 area. Still not a breakthrough through that 808 to that 807. I would like for it to get to 805 there so that it can bounce and I can get an ad. Still really not cracking through that 10 there, guys. Like, it's cracking, but not giving that real real pressure. Might not be ready, guys. There's the move to 807s by 808. Let's see if it cracks down here, guys. We need it to get through these 807s. Get to that 805. If not, I'm probably just going to get out if we get over 810s again. I'll look for that re-entry, if anything. Eight oh seven's looking weaker. Alright, not liking that right there. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my profit there. It's really nothing, guys. It's $10. It just pays the commissions, guys. But I'm not really seeing anything there, guys. I don't want to go ahead and just jump into this for no reason, guys. It's not moving. UXIN rejected again. Those 50s came down. Finally it wants to crack. It's hanging around way too long, man. That's my thing with Crone, that the support's there. It's support was waiting for this crackdown of the 807s. 807. Never really got it. Now it's starting to do it. It's one of those that just, my patience left, man. I have a ticking time bomb inside, and the ticking time bomb went off, man. It told me to get out. Hey, look, John's here. All right, let me open up Skype. Johnny John. Yo. What's up, man?
Hanging out, dude. So you streaming? Did you get into any other trades?
I've taken 2 trades. I'll explain them right now. So far, before the stream started, I got in actually 3 trades. I got into Twitter, and I got out for a 3 cent, really tiny loss with 300 shares. Then I shorted UXIN, made a nice gain there from 38 to 30, but it was only 500 shares. Now on Crone, I shorted there at 810, actually getting out there at the same break-even price. Just not seeing it break down, and I think it can bounce to the VWAP. And if it does bounce to the VWAP, that's probably where I'll get short, and then it'll break down later on the day. I just gave it enough times there to break 810s to really break down. Wouldn't want to break down, so ticking time bomb told me to go ahead and get out.
Yeah, so you still ended net or gross profit on those 3 trades.
I'm still really good on the day. I mean, I'm up $156. I do have a lot of tickets, probably about $50 on tickets. So that's why I'm trying to go ahead and start taking some swings.
Yeah, man.
I'm more than willing. CGC was one that I missed, brother. Oh my God, I was so mad that I missed it. It just went off at 107. Yeah, 38.80s. I saw it, and I went and I hit it, and I missed it by 3 or 4 cents. I think the bid dropped down to 76, and the ask was at 80.
Yeah, I see that upwick. You're talking about. Yeah, it only stayed up there for a second, though.
Oh, man. I saw it break through that 38.80s, goes down through the VWAP, and the bounce there at 74. TLRY had a even better bounce. Yeah.
Yeah. Look at BILI. It looks okay. This pattern's got to break either under 1190 or over 12.
Yeah, this doesn't look bad. This doesn't look bad. Next stop down. That's what you got to know. Next stop down, 1190s. Then it would be 1180s, followed by a third, which is all the way down, which I don't think I'll get to, but 1158.
Yeah, let's look. Arian's World has that free scanner that he posts, and so you might want to check that out.
I've been actually going through it a little bit, checking also my scanners too, seeing if there's anything there. Just trying to work through it.
I'm just trying to look to see what I can find here. Let's see, we got CFBK. Let's see, it's popping up. Oh no. Gevo.
Yeah, I saw Gevo.
GEVO's been breaking out.
I saw Gevo. That one I saw for sure.
AXON's breaking out as well. If it gets rejected here for AXON, it might start coming back down. Who knows? What else is there?
Yeah.
PERI.
Step in there. All right, watching UXIN. Honestly, both ways. It's at a point where it could curve and go long, or break down.
Look at COTY. It just made a jump over the $0.50. I mean, if this one could get rejected here and start coming back down to the VWAP. If you look at COTY, it's got some resistance at 11.54. It just bounced off of there again and pushed back down under the $0.50. So look at COTY. I don't mind that one for a potential short. Risk area could be 11.75. Potential reward could be it's about break even, 1 to 1.
Yeah, so what I see on that is I see 1 attempt, 2 attempts. I would want it to make another attempt to the high, fail hard there at 50s. And then you'll see the candle go from green to red immediately.
Yeah.
There's the 1150s. Watch how it rolls through, and watch how it just cancels, and then it goes down to a red bar. That's what I would look for. If it goes up,
it's your 3 up, 3 down.
Then it would just be a breakout. Let it go.
WMLP as well. If it cracks under the VWAP, WMLP. I don't know how many of these are tradable, but RXII starting to spike here.
You see how it went? It did that 1150s, and now it's a red candle. It just rejected those 1150s. Let's see if it holds it. Tries one more time, then I'll nail on it.
I mean, it's got some resistance above it now that it formed those two up wicks. So a safe stop could be 11.54. Risk area.
Look at Cisco, man. CSCO. That is tanking there.
Yeah, look at those two beautiful VWAP. I guess those would be VWAP rejections. I think after the first rejection, it's a fade, though, since it's an bearish trend at that point.
Touches up there and just wipe down to support. Touch, support, break, second support touch. This is what we're really getting, I think, really good at. You know, is understanding that, you know, the stock is going to probably touch that support again. If it's going to touch that support, you know, that's our profit taking area and also what we should be targeting.
For sure.
UXIN, I wanted to fail long again one more time, and then I could short it again. If it breaks these 635s here, just let it go. COTY, same thing. I wanted to try attempt long one more time and then fail.
So how much do you have to make at this point on your
my account? All right, so opening unused buying power right now says 262. I'm thinking that I got to make probably about near 300.
300 after.
Near 300 after the commission rate. So what I'm thinking is, like, if I could at least make 200 or attempt to make 200 today, I can maybe take one swing tomorrow, just open it up real quick, take a swing, see what happens.
I don't know. See, I wouldn't rely on that because then, you know, you're not going to have time to make other swings. I would try to get it done today.
That's the idea.
I mean, I don't know.
The idea is to nail it today,
the morning time. Right, but the morning time's the most
That's
ideal
what I'm
time.
thinking.
You know,
$100
so
can be made really easily. You just take 1,000 shares, either it goes or it doesn't.
10 cents.
You know?
Right. Yeah, I mean, you could take 2 swings at this point with like 1,000 shares. You know, so you could take one swing, have a 20-cent risk. If you get stopped out, you know, then start over again and try to take another bigger swing.
Here at the $4 range. The entry would be right there at 4 with a risk of the high day. not seeing the volume rolling through there. And that's my problem with Jivo. Can't use my level 2 reading skills there.
Yeah, the volume's just going to be a little bit low at this time of day. Maybe, I think from 2 to 3 would be the best time. So in about 30 minutes,
really good.
power hour. Right, power hour is when a lot of volatility comes back, and so you can trade.
Those 1150s, guys. Alright, let's see if COTY gets over 50 here. And it got over 50. It's not what I wanted it to do. I wanted it to reject 51 there and then open up a new candle, slam through 48s. So now it's kind of looking like it's holding on the bullish side. Could reject here, that last high, which was 51. Looking at the time in sales to see if anything's going to close in 51. Saw a couple shares close there, 51, but only 100 shares. Not a big retail. AMD, yeah, we could take a look at AMD. I know it was really active.
There goes COTY starting to spike here.
You see, that's why, guys, I looked for that last little attempt. I could have jumped in there at 48, but I was like, let me wait for this last attempt, see if it fails or not.
But if it breaks back down and gets rejected here and goes under 147, and especially like 140, then it looks okay back down to the 30 area and then 25 maybe. But yeah, I know myself well enough to know that I'm not that great of a afternoon trader. I'm just not. My reliability goes out the window when it's afternoon time. You know, I have my best results in the morning for sure within the first like hour.
Yeah, you gotta know where you're good at.
Right, and sometimes I'll take trades like yesterday, where I held Snapchat, and I held it for like an hour maybe, and I just checked on it, set a stop loss, and then checked on it to see where it was going with a small position. You know, and that was a profitable trade yesterday. Made me green on the day again. So I'm definitely happy with that.
Jivo there. I'm kind of interested there at 402, but can get back up there and get to the highs real quickly. Yeah, that's why I didn't want to get in there. Look, approaching those highs again.
Yeah, I mean, the overall market's kind of doing this. COTY is doing it. Jivo's doing it. AXON is doing it.
Crone back up there. Let's see Crone get back to like 809s and then makes another run to these 805s. Little bounce, another attempt to those 805s. That should give it enough to crack down. UXIN, what happened with that one? Holding those 640s. Trying to get above it. I don't need much, you know. I definitely can leverage into just about any stock, so
TOL looks okay for a short with a 39.50 risk. There's this third rejection on COTY back down to 1147. But my wife bought me some food, and so I'm gonna go eat. I might be back in like
No
20
stress,
minutes.
man. I'll be here.
All right.
All right.
All right, brother.
There's Chrome, guys, down to 803 there, guys. Looks like we should have held for a little bit longer. I see you, KG. I see you. Got this up 3 on UXIN. Let's see if it's going to break out here. Or break down. Looking around, guys. You guys see anything out there? Let me know. There's a move on Crone there, guys. I will look at AMTD NYC. Thank you for calling that one out. Guys, give me 1 second. Got to answer a call right quick. All right, guys, I'm back. Yeah, AMTD is pretty down there. Just not giving me any pattern to go off of. All right, let's see what happens here. WMLP. Doesn't look bad, man. This one just came out of nowhere. I definitely will take a look at that. Thank you, Raphael, for putting that one up again. GERN, Jern. We look at it. Nah, not the kind of pattern you want to see. Not seeing much, guys. I hear you, NYC. No stress, man. Find me along. I got no problem going long. Just got to see the pattern there. That's it. Sono had a good crackdown about 10 minutes ago, guys. We need a bounce in this 2163 area. About the point, at the point, almost about to play the spot, guys. Alright, this is the area I was looking at for Crone when it bounced off of near 8 to come back to Crone. There you go. Not really seeing anything there, guys. I'm thinking about Crone here, but didn't want to see it get that high. If it did, I wanted to see it come up to the VWAP, then reject. Watching UXI and also CLTY went up there to the 58, 60s. No clean entry, man. I like that SFIX there. It's not a bad one to look at. Yeah, not a bad one to look at all. The risk right now is 78 off 88. There you go, UXIN there, back up at 638 44s. Want to see if 44 rejects on there. Can probably hammer down on that one if it rejects. Yeah, that was a good call out, NYC. I just would have liked it as the green popped up there. Like 85s off of maybe 94. It was a good one. For sure. I see you. And I appreciate you so much, NYC. Ryoku. Yeah, Ryoku through that 59.50s. Would want to see it bounce to 59.15. But it's near that VWAP rejection area. So let it go up to 58.80 and now get up to there, 58.88. It's either going to be probably Crone or this UXIN. Trying to shorten Crone. Saw some big share size go through there at 8/10. UXIN there also rejected those 640s. Yeah, Crone's approaching that breakdown, guys. I tried to get in there at 8:10 there, guys. Wasn't able to get fill. It's getting real tight on Crone. It looks like it's going to crack down here, guys. Crone just doesn't want to break there, guys. Missed it by a second there on UXIN there. Was thinking about the 630s there. Put out the order there. See if we can get filled at 629 or 630s. You guys saw me hit it there on the 28s. Should have had 1,000 there at 28. That's why I can't get short. Because I still had that 1,500 shares there just sitting at 630. Wish I would have got in there at 630s. 1,500 shares, that's what I wanted. That was it right there. 630s, 1,500 shares. Would have been able to look for this move down, back down to 610 there. Looking to get filled there at 629. We'll go ahead and take it if it comes up there to 629 there. Let's see if I get filled here. Putting the short there at 630. Alright, Crone up there, back to 813s, guys. Crone back there, making a move to the VWAP. Thinking about Crone here up at 815s there. Gotta see this on the 5-minute. Yeah, it would have to be up here in 16s, risking off of like 24s. Let it keep going, let it keep going. Resistance 23. All right, let's see it reject those 23s. All right, seeing it come back down to 17s, 20s there. 18s is where I'm gonna probably start my short here. Be right there, babe. All right, guys, got short there at 18. 500 shares there, guys, on Crone. Back to VWAP, I'll add. Lots of shares going through there at 818 there. Got to be careful here. Can squeeze a little bit. Up there to 820s now. Looking like it's going to run a little bit there, guys. I'm going to wait for a second for my ad here, guys. Let this run up a little bit and look to average in here somewhere where I can risk up here. Alright guys, looking for adding positions here now. As I got a strong kill candle there. Added there, guys. Added there at 819, guys. There you go, guys. There you go. Starting to get that move there, guys. You guys seeing there? I'm looking for a bounce back to VWAP to add some more there, guys. 818. Alright, you get 100 or 200 more. Yeah, 100 or 200 more if it bounces up here. Looking for a bounce up here. 818, 819 to add there. $11,000 shares going through that 812 there, guys. Appreciate it, NYC. Just trying to battle here, man. I'm okay with one last bounce here, but if it just fades away here, 14s, and just comes down, that's fine too. Tons of volume showing up on the ass side. Let's see if that selling pressure at the top is just gonna knock it down to $8. $14s rolling through there. Let's see if it can get down to 813s. Down to those 812s. Let's see if it slams down here, guys. Let's make this account right here, guys. There you go. Move to the 811s. Let's see if we get a crack down to 810s. Slams through there. We got 320, guys. 320 here, guys. I want to take some off and re-add it there at 18, but to pay myself that little bit, it's not worth it. Because it could just crack down on me. Here's where we get a bounce, it would happen. If not, it would probably just flush down. Mad shares there on the ask for 815. See this 182, 127. There we go. There's the bounce, guys. Guys, just give me one quick second. Getting a call. Alright guys, getting a little spike here. Willing to add here. 200 shares there at 18 or 19. There you go. Added 200 shares there. Now risking off of 825 here. Gotta be careful if this starts closing and gets above here. Gotta give myself some room here. There you go. That's what I wanted to see. A rejection of that 25 there, guys. Got that rejection. Now I need it to come back down to, and break those 810s. I'll have to get out if it gets above that 825. Alright, don't want to see it get up here and above. Like to see this reject that 25s there, guys. UXIN there, guys. It's 629, 635s. That does look good. I just can't get in it. I'm stuck in this right here. Gonna have to hold to above here, guys. So if I see 825 or 826 roll through, that's when I'll get out. Be for less, probably like 100 loss, but this is what we gotta do. We're gonna make the account. This is gonna be the account right here. Hopefully it makes a move right back down here. Alright, don't want to see it up here, guys, in this 24s, 25s. Would like to see it just reject and get back below to those 815s. There you go, some good rejections there. Looking good there. Let's get below this VWAP. UXIN also looks good there to short at 630s off of 636, 6 cents for a potential move to 620. Alright, let's see if we can break the support here down here at 818. I don't want it to see it up there at 23s. UXIN there is cracking down there. Yeah, UXIN there, guys. Missing out on that one there. Maybe should have done half my share size in here, half my share size in there. But I'm taking my chance with Crone here, guys, and I'm going to stick to it. Come on, let's go. Let's get a final crackdown. I got the crackdown for UXIN there. Just wasn't in it. Some major selling right here. Big seller there at 22 at 20, 240. Let's see if it just cracks down there, guys. I don't want him getting filled there on the 820s. Would like for it to just crack down there. I don't want to see this share size just start getting lower. Would like to see it reject and come down to those 18s, break down through those 18s to this 15s. There you go, touch those 18s. Come on, come down and crack those 18s. Don't want to end up putting implement range again. Alright, so here's where we should get the rejection. Let's see if we get it here at 18. Come on, flush down. Looking for this flush down here on Crone. Running out of time here, guys. 4 o'clock approaching and it's not breaking down. I'm stuck in this stock. Ready for see it break down or not here, guys. Don't want to see it get over those 220s now. Don't want this share size getting filled. Wouldn't want it to hammer down through this VWAP again, guys. If I see that share size go through there, guys, I'm just going to get out, take a small loss there, guys. If I do take the small loss, so be it. I'm not going to be an idiot either. I think this can just wash out, though. Come on. Alright, let's see if it could crack these 18s here, guys. There's some weight there, some size there. Come on. Don't want to see this 274 go through there. I want to see it crack down below this VWAP here. Some of his share size went in through there, guys, at 820, guys. Just be careful there. God damn, this stock won't move. There's his share size going through there, guys. I don't want to see it squeeze up there. It's almost all the way done. Come on, crack down through those 18s. There you go, 17s there, guys. 17s there. There you go to the 15s. There you go, guys. Some ads there getting in there. All right, let's see if it can come down now. $8.10 and then $8.05. Then a move to 8. See, then again, I should have maybe taken those early shares there, guys, at this 14 there early. Back here. Could have got probably $45, then added the shares right back. Could have made $90 there. But I'm still holding this, guys, in there at 18.5, right about here, with about 1,200 shares there, guys. Risking off of over here, 22s, trying to get this to come back down here to the support 810s, 811s, then really start hammering on it. Gotta watch the clock, guys. 3:40, guys. I hear you, NYC. I'm literally just waiting for it. Can't do nothing but just wait. See if it gives me that money that I need. Back there to my number there, man. Didn't want to see that. Just not getting any movement, guys. Thank you, NYC. I hear you, man. Should have listened to your. You called some nice ones out. SFIX there. That could have done it for me. You called some good ones out. I appreciate you, NYC, sticking around. Alright guys, what I'm going to do here guys is something I don't really do often guys. I need to just set a stop here guys and just get my hands off of it. Get ready for the close. It could close and then give me, like NYC said, a last minute sell off. That's the only thing I can kind of hope for right now. It's hanging around this VWAP. Could come down at any moment, but it has this attempt also here to get above. Rejects 820 again there guys. Above 20s, anything that closes in the 21s, I'll just probably get out, guys. Even though I want to risk here and get this money, I'm not going to do a stupid trade and just stop out really high. If anything, I got to save the account as much as I can. Take what I can here and get away. Not liking that flip around there, guys. To get over 20 and squeeze hard. Gotta be careful right here, guys. You see that 20s rolling through? And there's the squeeze, guys. Not what I wanted to see there, guys. Risk to 25 there. I hear you, KG. I hear you, man. I tried. I think I missed a couple plays earlier on. Could have made some money in between then. Probably should have looked for a little bit in between. But all we can do is battle, man. That's all we can do. Set ourselves up. Look for the right trade. From there on, it's the market to decide there. You see this UXIN there? Would have gave me the trade. Look at UXIN. I was thinking about getting out of this and then jumping in there at 630. Even that move right there could give me it. Look at UXIN, probably going to go to the 620s after you could have shorted it there. 635, 638s. Now we're seeing Crone up there, 22 and 23s. Definitely not what we wanted to see there. As I get squeezed a little bit here. And you see UXIN there down to the 620s. Just picked the wrong stock. That's how it goes. Can't say I didn't try. Can't say I didn't try though. Look at all the share volume at 25 there, guys. Don't want it to break 25 there. Whole bunch of shares went through there. Probably gonna have to hold it to the close. I think with one more day we would have got really close to this challenge. You know, I think we got up there to 260s, 270s. This position was the position that was either going to give it to us or not, coming back down to the 8. That's what I was looking for. The only thing that could happen is a last minute washout, which I think is highly unlikely, but I'm just going to hold it to the end.